fourth grade scientist. Miss Cross is here today with a brand new scientific phenomenon for the week. So we're still talking about ecosystems and food chains and food webs. But this week we have a new learning target. We are going to be working on designing a scenario, so kind of like developing a model, but designing a scenario to demonstrate the effect of a change on an ecosystem. So we'll talk a little bit more about that word scenario as we go through the week, but we're going to be trying to come up with a situation that can help us show what the effect of a change on an ecosystem would be. So if you remember, we start each new standard with a scientific phenomenon, which is usually a picture or pictures or maybe a video that is supposed to get us really curious, get our brains thinking and wondering and noticing and asking questions about the thing that we are about to learn about. So today we are going to do that. So if you remember, I just mentioned this, but when we see a scientific phenomenon, we're thinking about the things we notice and wonder. So after looking at the phenomenon, your teacher can pause the video so that you can discuss the things you notice, and wonder, or you can just make notes in your journal as you look. Okay, so today's phenomenon is called "Oh dear." Here we go. Okay, so this is our phenomenon for the week. I want you to study this. Remember, not just the center of the picture. You want to look all around the whole image to be sure you take it all in. And as you look at this, think about the things you notice and you wonder. Okay, so if you need more time to think, you can pause. I'm going to go ahead and share with you some of the things that I wondered about this picture and the things that I think after looking at this, because I think most of you will have a lot to say about this picture. So I think one of the biggest things I wondered, maybe you wondered this too, is why are those deer crossing the street? And not even why are they crossing the street, but why are they crossing that street right there? What about the next wonder? Where do you think they're going? Where would those deer be going? Because for me, if I think about what I know about deer, that picture doesn't really match up in my mind with what I think I already know about deer. Another question you might have is, why would the mother deer lead her babies across all of that traffic? And maybe you're wondering, are they going to survive? Are these deer going to make it? Are they going to make it across the street? And if they do, what might happen to them when they get across? Okay, friends, so today we saw our new scientific phenomenon for the week, and we're going to reflect back on this picture throughout the week as we work on thinking about ways we can think about changes to ecosystems and how those affect the living things and even non-living things in that ecosystem. All right, friends, I will see you back tomorrow for more science.